Good day, guys. Welcome back to the garden. Thanks for stopping by. A few things here you can see. Got 3 plants here I'm about to put in the ground. This is Dark Side of the Moon and the Astilbe by Proven Winners. It says full sun to full shade. This area here is going to be fairly shady, so we'll see how that works, because I think you have more blooms in the sun. I think that's what it is. 20 to 22 inches tall. Again, it's an Astilbe called Dark Side of the Moon. 24 to 28 inch spacing. Hardiness in zones 4 to 9, or -30 below zero. Rich, deep chocolate brown leaves. New leaves are yellow with a dark margin, turning completely dark as they age. Raspberry buds open to rosy purple flowers. Best in rich, moist soil and part shade. Plant will have fewer flowers in the shade. More water required in full sun. So determine which one you want to do there. I'm going to try them here. You know, I'm not afraid of moving things. I do that all the time. I've shown you in several videos. If I don't get enough flowers here, I'll move them to a sunnier place, and I'll just keep more water on them. Pair with corbels or heuchera, ligularia, and Japanese painted fern. All right, so that's what we're planting today. And also, we hit our goal. So we have winners for the Sombrero Lemon Yellow coneflower seeds. And yes, I said winners because I've gathered enough seeds that I decided to do have two winners. I will put the winners in the comment section below, in the description below. Those of you who did not win, don't worry. I'm going to do another seed giveaway. I've collected Sombrero Sangrita coneflower seeds, and when we hit 125 subscribers, we'll have another giveaway at 125. This time at 125, it'll be Sombrero Sangrita. It's kind of a red, bright red, not kind of red. It's a bright red coneflower. So thank you for all of the entrants and all the interest. Let's get these in the ground, because I think it's about to start raining. Shock. I forgot my gloves, so I'm going to have dirty hands. But, you know, what's wrong with a gardener having dirty hands, right? I got these at a pretty good price, it looks like. Paid $8 a piece for these. They were originally $22, it would seem. Got my hoary knife here. We'll break up the roots a little bit, especially here in the bottom. Get this one in the ground. Get it backfilled. I don't know why I always sit down on my backfill. I tend to do that a lot. All right, there's that one. Let's get this one. Hope everything's going well with you guys today. It's a beautiful day here. It's overcast. Yesterday was sunny all day. And that was the first day. I'm sorry I haven't done any videos in a few days. Reason being is because we've had rain all day, 4 days in a row. And yesterday was the first day that I could get out and do anything, and I had stuff I had to get caught up on, just regular, you know, cutting some grass and stuff like that. So I haven't been ignoring you guys, just haven't been able to set my camera up in the rain. All right, there's that one. Again, I use about plants this size, and these are pretty much, that's why I'm planting them pretty close together, as you can see. They're 24, they're pretty much full grown. And I paid $8 a piece for them. So, good deal, I think. All right, come out of there, baby. Sorry for the rushness. The hole's pretty deep. Backfill that. All right. You can see I've got some soil setting here that I'm going to be spreading too. So, all right. Hope everything's going well with you guys today. And thanks for watching. Here we go. Easy peasy. Those are in the ground. Got them here by the Dolce Wildberry. Need to get some more of those. You can see I've got plenty of room to plant stuff, so we're going to be planting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Ciao.